Athanasian Creed, Episode 4. Neque confundentes personas, neque substantiam separantes. In the previous portion, the definition of the Catholic faith was given, and it was said that it is ut veneremur, that we should worship one God in Trinity, and the Trinity in unity. Now this phrase here expands upon that idea, that we should worship neque, neither mixing together confundentes the persons, i.e. the three persons of the Trinity, nor dividing up, separating out their substance, substantiam. Both confundentes and separantes are present active participles. Confundentes is from the third conjugation verb confundo, confundere, which means to pour together, and separantes is from the first conjugation verb separo, separare, which means to divide up, to treat differently. The object of confundentes is personas, which is feminine plural and accusative. Participles are verbal adjectives. If they are active, and these are, then they can take objects, and these do. Substantiam is the object of separantes, and it is also feminine and singular and accusative. Even in this short sentence, for the sake of memorability, there are hints of style. We can represent the word order symbolically. Neque, A, confundentes, B, personas, C, where neque is a conjunction, confundentes is a substantive, and personas is a substantive object. Then neque is repeated, but now we have a reversal of the order. Substantiam is the object, substantive, C, and separantes the participle, the substantive in the nominative, B. So the order then is A, B, C, A, C, B, forming a kind of chiasmus.